Okay. So what's the distance formula? Distance equals rate times time. On these problems though, all of them have a wind or water current. So instead of using this, it's going to change a little bit. The normal rate is going to be affected by the wind or the water. Okay. Do you guys know what a tailwind is?
No.
Or a headwind? Tailwind or headwind? Okay, tailwind means it's pushing your tail, so you're going faster. So a tailwind would be adding the wind speed to your normal speed, basically. So your rate is going to be amplified by a tailwind. The headwind, however, hitting you in the head, so it's slowing you down. So the normal speed on a headwind will be going against the wind, slowing you down. So these are the two that we're using today. We did one of these examples on that other sheet. You guys remember? Okay, I don't know. Should I just try the odds and you guys try the evens again?
No, we should do all of them together.
Okay, let's try the odds, see how it goes. Flying to Phoenix with a tailwind. What does tailwind mean? It's pushing it with you. Right, it's going with you, so it's pushing you. Okay, flying to Phoenix. Yeah, you might want to write on the back or a different sheet of paper. There's not a lot of room on this.
I have to get a sheet of paper.
Might do another piece of paper on the back. It says flying to Phoenix with a tailwind, a plane averaged 163 miles per hour. Okay. On this one, it's kind of a little bit easier than the one we did the other day. It's just talking about the speed. So really, listen up, boys. Hey, I'm not talking for my fun up here. You guys aren't going to have a clue, then you're going to ask me to explain it, and I'm going to be annoyed because you weren't listening. Okay, they're just talking about their speed on number one. It says, with a tailwind, the plane averaged 163. So, when the wind was with them, they were going 163.
So they're not talking about time?
They don't say distance or time, they're just talking about the speed of the plane.
Alright.
Okay, on the return trip, the plane only averaged 131. So what do you think I put for that? Right, so on the return trip, they're going the opposite direction, so the wind was hitting them, so it slowed them down. So that's why we use the R minus the wind speed equals 131. So this one's actually easier than what we did the other day. How do I solve that?
Just subtract. I'm going to add them together.
If you add the two lines together, what's going to happen to the W's?
They're gonna go away.
Go away, so we get
2R
2R
equals
294, right?
correct.
294 divided by 2.
7.
147. What does that mean?
Rate.
The rate?
Top passes and still.
That's how,
Top passes and
We're talking about a plane, not a boat.
No.
It's how fast the plane moves without wind. Okay, 147 miles per hour, basically. So, how about the wind speed, though?
that would be the W. Okay.
147 plus wind equals 163. So basically,
Subtract what?
163 minus 147,
16.
16.
Wouldn't it though on the bottom one be negative 16?
There's negative wouldn't make sense on these problems. But no, it would not be negative 16. Now on this one it's 147 minus what equals 131. Still 16.
You have to put like the units.
Oh, these are all like that, aren't it? No.
Just do them all together then. If they're all
No.
that easy.
Hold on. Pause.
We
All together.
we conquer more in numbers.
You have to put the numbers per hour.
We do better in
Greatest
numbers.
achievements in mankind were done by
You
men.
just put the unit, like the kilometers per hour.
Well, I'm not gonna grade on that, no.
Look at Leo, he's
Okay.
confused on the first one. He needs help.
I'm not confused.
Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is,
Do all of them.
we will add a couple harder problems from the book after we're done with these. These will go really quick.
Come on.
These are gonna go real, come on. These will go really quick, so,
Are we doing them
So
all
we're gonna do
together
them all
or
together.
I've never seen that movie.
Are we gonna do all of them together?
Well,
no,
what was that?
3, I'm doing number 3.
Sandlot.
Oh, I don't see
Okay, traveling with the current, a certain boat went 19 kilometers an hour. So how should I write that? Traveling with the current, a certain boat went
that.
19.
So there's no.
Okay, so the rate plus the water current, I like to put W for water and wind, so it looks the same. With the current, so that'll speed them up, went 19. And then against the same current, it only went 5.
So R minus W
So that is a,
equals 5.
current is having a heavy effect there.
Oh, we're doing.
So we're left with R again.
So what do we do?
Add them together.
Add 2R equals
14, I mean 24. Huh,
Divide by 2.
interesting.
The speed of the boat is 12. How do I find the water speed?
You put it in for R on the top.
Put R in. 12 plus what equals 19?
7.
7.
Stop.
Why are we? Why are we doing
So
Are we
hard?
only doing odds?
Not that
Are
hard.
we gonna do the hard
Remember
ones
we did
together?
one of the harder ones on the other
Are we
worksheet.
gonna do them together? The
Oh,
hard
I
ones?
We'll do the we'll waste one. Yeah. What?
Oh, I'm so confused.
Wait, I
Are we doing all different
got
ones
the right
together?
answer, but.
No, we didn't answer.
Oh, it's added, but I still got the right answer. And I looked at the chapter.
2R, 24.
I subtracted 19 minus 5, but I still got 7 and 12. But they're just like switched.
Well, if you subtract this, you get negative 2W equals.
Or I added
Yeah.
the 2R, but I
Are
also
you-
subtracted the.
If you subtract this, you get. Okay, if you did that, Marianne, your answers would be backwards. You get
Yeah.
R is 7.
We should just do the whole page by ourselves and then we won't
Okay.
do any hard ones.
Number 5. No, these are all the same. We'll go through these quick. Number 5, flying with the wind, a plane went 366. That's fast. So what would it be?
I guess W equals 356.
Flying against the wind, it went 350.
That is extremely fast. You get to Dallas from
Is
here in like an
there
hour,
any harder problems?
less than an hour.
Are they gonna get harder?
I'm gonna put a couple in from the book that are hard to do. Oh, we're gonna do it on the back.
Well, I
Okay.
need 5 or 6.
2R equals, what was it?
5 or 6. I said 5 or 6, but I don't
I
know.
think it's 616
Yeah, yeah, that was wrong. 600?
or 716.
I thought that was 2.
716 divided by 2, 358.
So still,
So 358 plus what equals 366?
8.
8, yeah.
Okay, flying with the wind, a plane, that looks exactly the same, doesn't it? Flying with the wind, a plane went 336 at our rate.
I guess W equals.
R plus W equals 336. R minus W is 258. Okay, this will be the last one I do with you guys. I'll just let you go.
This is the same as the last part.
Yeah, they changed the numbers. Add them together, you get 2R.
They only mixed
The
one.
numbers are the same.
No, not one.
They changed it a little bit.
Which one?
That's 594, I believe. 594 divided by 2.
Can we please just do this? Please, I don't want to do it.
2, oh, point written. See, it was 3 short of 300.
For
So,
me.
is it 297? Is that right?
Yeah.
And that
I would
97 plus what equals 336?
40, no, it's 39.
39. That's fast wind.
That is.
What was the W
All
on
right.
number 5?
I'm ready.
Huh?
What was the W on number 5?
All right. Why don't you guys keep doing this? I'll look up the other workarounds.
Are you gonna do the hard ones with this?
Yeah.
You can do the hard ones or open up.
I'll do like a couple hard ones, and then you guys will do a couple hard ones.
How much are you doing?